going on, guys? Welcome back. Today's video we're going to be installing pedals on the BMW 435, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the pedals. These things are pretty cheap. I'll leave a link down in the description below on where to get them from Amazon. I'm also going to be giving away a pair for free, so if you want to learn how to get one, just stay tuned till the end. I'll talk about how to get it. Mine are actually a little dirty because I already had mine installed for a little bit and they got dirty in the snow and whatnot. But I wanted to make a video to kind of show you guys the before and after and how to install them. Again, super easy, super simple to do. So let's get into it. All right guys, so here's the before. You know, they're just simple black pedals that came with the car. There's nothing wrong with them, but they just kind of look basic to me. So like, I wanted to make it match the dead pedal over there. It's a little dirty right now, so it's because, you know, it's been snowing a lot and there's a lot of salt and just mud that kind of gets on your shoes. But anyways, we're gonna jump into the installation. Again, it's super easy and simple to do, but yeah, let's just get into it. So you're gonna see on the back of the pedals here, there's like these little slits. So basically for the brake pedal, it's just a metal piece and these pieces slide right on top of it. So you kind of have to get these little rubbers around the metal piece here. You kind of have to, like, you know, force your way to get these things on, but they are heavy rubbers, so they do move. Just, you know, be patient with it. For this one, it's easy. All you do is just put it right on top. So let's just do that right now. All right. Okay. And cool. Again, that one's super easy, super simple. Let's do the other one. So for this one, you just want to pull off the old pedal. So all you have to do is just get underneath and pull the rubber off, just like that. You're gonna see it pop off. You just want to pull it all away. Boom, just like that. Alright, so with that off, you guys can probably get a better view of the pedal without the piece on it. So again, it's just a metal flat piece which you're going to be putting the new one over. Here's also the pedals side by side. So again, there's nothing really wrong with the original one. It's just a little boring looking. I think this one looks much cooler, and it does actually still have some grip, so it feels good when you're driving. You can see the back here. This one is a lot simpler. It has more slits, so it makes it easier to put on. The old one does not have as many slits. Kind of just has a large one here, but kind of makes it tough to get off, and especially put back on. So yeah, if you think you might want to go back to the factory one, just keep that in mind. These things are tough to get on because it just doesn't have as much room to kind of bend and get it around the metal piece, if you know what I mean. But yeah, if you're able to remove the old one, honestly, that's the hard part. The easy part's putting this in. So yeah, let's install the new one right now. So again, this one's a little different. So this is the new one here. This is the old one. The old one has this larger rubber piece. I don't know what the difference is really for, but all I can tell you is it makes putting the new one on so much easier. So let's do that now. Okay, so you guys just want to get the rubber underneath or around the metal here. You just want to work your way around. Alright. Okay, it's fully around it. There you go. Just like that. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Again, I think it looks much better. It looks even better when it's actually clean. Yeah, looks much better. Again, I really need to get this thing clean, so maybe I'll clean it up and post some shots on my Instagram, so follow me there. Alright guys, so yeah, that's it. Again, it's really easy to do. It's super simple. If you're looking for easy, cheap mods to do to your car, I think this is another great one to add to the list. I already did the red start button, but this is another good one. Again, links down in the description below if you want the same exact ones that I used. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is just like this video, subscribe, and then also leave me a comment. Just let me know you actually want to enter it. Just say me or anything like that. Yeah, guys, once I hit 200 subscribers, I'll be picking someone and I'll send it straight to you. Alright guys, so that's it. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. If you guys are into this type of stuff, if you guys like to see car builds, I have some bigger mods coming. I just wanted to do the easy, quick ones first and get them out of the way. But I have some bigger stuff coming. I have some more stuff in the mail too. So if you guys want to see that, please subscribe. There's more videos coming soon. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.